I bring you all good news again, guys. We just hit 17,000 subscribers. Guys, can you see this? 17,000. Listen, guys, a couple of months ago, I barely get views on this channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you some of the strategies I have been using to help YouTube to push my videos. See, as a small creator here on YouTube, the only thing that can save you, the only thing that can save your channel is when YouTube starts pushing your videos, when your videos start getting recommended by YouTube. And in this video today, I'm going to share three amazing strategies that has helped me a whole lot. And you all know this is going to be a very practical video. See, guys, I barely get views on my channel. See, let me just show you guys so you can see for yourself. So when I'm telling you what I do, you're going to believe me. Now look at this. These videos were shot a couple of months ago on my YouTube channel. Let me zoom this closely so you guys can see for yourself. See this one. This one got 121 views. Look at this. 180 views. Look at this. 109 views. Look at this. 81 views. Look at this. 140. Guys, I barely get 200 views. Now let me show you what is happening on my channel. Look at this. This is 29,000 views. Guys, 29,000. Guys, look at this. 66,000. Oh my goodness. See, guys, when I tell you the only thing that can save you is when YouTube starts pushing your videos. Guys, my channel took a different turn. See, anything I give to you here is something that I practice on my channel. Tell you exactly what I am doing, what I've tested, what I've tried, what I have seen that is working for me. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to expose three strategies. So I want you to follow me step by step. This video is going to be a very practical video. If you are in a hurry, I want you to pause this video. When you are relaxed, you need to sit down and watch this video. I'm going to show you exactly how you need to position your channel for YouTube to start pushing your videos to the right audience. So without talking too much, I don't want to waste your time. If you're seeing my face for the very first time on your screen, I'm Creative Blessing. Here we grow together and we help each other to do YouTube the right way. If you're a small creator, if you're starting YouTube, you are in the right space. God has led you to the right channel. So do well to support a creator genuinely. Listen, guys, we don't do sub for sub here. We follow each other genuinely. So guys, we're going to do everything using just your smartphone. You don't need any software, gadget, device. You're using your phone to do every single thing I'm going to show you in this video. At this point, I am talking too much. Let me just go straight into the video. Follow me step by step. The last strategy in this video is going to blow your mind. So let's just go straight into the video. So guys, I want you to follow me step by step. So I want you to go to your Chrome browser. You click on Chrome. The next thing you want to do here, you want to click on YouTube dashboard site. Okay, so we're going to do this step by step. You already know how to do this. You click on the YouTube dashboard site. It's just going to bring out options for you. So once it pops up, the next thing you want to do, you want to long press. Make sure you long press, and the next thing you're going to see here, you're going to open a new tab. Okay, so once this opens for you, you click on this tab right here, right below. I'm doing this for those of you who keep complaining that your YouTube studio is taking you back to the mobile studio. So you click here. So once you click here, you come down, you're going to see this part here. You click on this. Now you click on continue to studio. Now this is what your YouTube dashboard site looks like. So we're going to be fixing this feature together. This is a game changer. It's going to change everything for you. So come right below. You're going to see this setting icon. You click on the setting icon. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. You click on it. So guys, I'm using my smartphone to show you guys how to fix this. All right. So once you get here, you're going to see settings. Now I want you to go to channel. You click on channel. All right. So the moment you click on channel, you're going to see basic info, advanced settings, feature eligibility. Now click on advanced settings. Follow me step by step. Don't worry, you're going to understand. Now I want you to scroll down gently. You screw gently, screw gently. Now let me zoom this closely. You can see automatic dubbing. Guys, I want you to check this right now in your YouTube studio. I used to have this setting unchecked, but guys, you need to check automatic dubbing. Let me explain this real quick. What this will help you to do is to automatically translate your audio track into different language and add them to your video. Now, let's imagine you made your videos in English. Your videos can go across different languages to Spanish, to French, India, any language at all can get your videos translated. Some of us already have this automatically turned on in our YouTube studio, but guys, you need to go check right now. So guys, once you're done turning this feature on, this will automatically give your channel a very good edge. So make sure it is checked. This too is checked. Allow automatic dubbing, manually review dubs before publishing. So this can give you the chances to see if you want to turn it on or turn it off before your videos go public. Now, the next thing which most of us are actually overlooking, guys, I am going to help you guys. Click on your basic info. Now, I want you to come to where you have keywords. A lot of us are overlooking this particular part of our YouTube studio. Now, let me zoom this closely. You can even take a screenshot of what I have here, guys. Now, guys, this is the trick. Don't add too many keywords. Don't add a lot of keywords. Do not confuse the algorithm. You can even take a screenshot if you are into the YouTube growth niche. Just see what I have here. I have how to create, YouTube tip, YouTube growth, get views, creative blessing, how to grow on YouTube. Guys, take a screenshot. Go and place these keywords into your YouTube studio immediately. So this is going to help the algorithm easily understand what your channel is all about. Note, don't flood this place with too many contradicting keywords. Take note, contradicting keywords. Now, if you want to make this really easy for yourself, let me just quickly take you guys to Chat GPT. If you're having troubles with placing keywords in your niche, let's say you're into the fashion niche, you can just come here and say, "Hi chat, give me 7 key words for my fashion niche." Guys, if you're not using ChatGPT to help yourself, you're wrong. You're really wrong. Okay. So once you do that, you're just gonna say, "Hi chat, give me 7 keywords for my fashion niche to place in my YouTube studio." Okay, for some of us who are confused on where to get the keywords, so you click here and automatically chat will give you keywords. Guys, look at this. Say for fashion focused YouTube channel, here are 7 channel keywords you can add in your YouTube studio to help YouTube understand your content. So quickly you can see fashion, women's fashion, fashion tips, style inspiration. So just copy one. Let me just copy one of them. I know my channel is not all about fashion, so let's go to the YouTube studio so you guys can see how to place it, okay? Because I know some of you don't even know how to place it. So you just come here, you're going to paste exactly what you copied. So just paste, okay? So you come back here. Let me zoom this closely. I'm using my phone. So because I'm using my phone, guys, you can see the fashion is already pasted. So just go to Chat GPT, copy and paste. Okay. So let me just remove fashion. I have nothing to do with fashion on this channel. So once you're done, always make sure you click on save. So you click on save button and automatically it will save on your channel. So guys, use your smartphone to do this. So quickly, I'm going to take you guys to the last thing you're going to do on your YouTube channel. See guys, follow me step by step. This time around, we're going to go over to the YouTube studio. That is the YouTube studio in your phone. Okay, so once you click on it, this one will really blow your mind, guys. This is going to help you. It's going to help YouTube to recommend your videos real quick. Okay, so now I want you to click on your analytics. Okay, so once you click on it, the next thing I want you to do, I want you to go to audience. Okay, follow me step by step. See guys, if you follow me, you will understand. Now scroll down, you see this part. When your viewers are on YouTube, guys, click on it. See guys, I want you to come and study this part of your YouTube studio. See, don't post your videos randomly. I know people will tell you, "Oh, you can get views in the morning, afternoon, evening," but guys, listen, when you post your videos matters a lot. It can determine if that video will do well or not. Imagine you're posting videos when your audience are not online. Guys, let's go through this together so you can understand. So you see here we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I hope you guys can see. Now, if you see from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m., almost every day, the lines are faint. The purple lines are faint, meaning the viewers are not online. Now, from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m., the viewers are actually online, but not that much. You can see the purple line is not really clear. Guys, you can see from 12 p.m. down to 6 p.m. Guys, can you see? My viewers are mostly active. So, guys, if I'm supposed to post videos, I'm not supposed to post videos anything below 12 p.m. At least I'm supposed to post my videos from 12 p.m. downwards. So, guys, take notes. Come and study this part. So, after making your videos, you can upload your videos the right time. So, guys, trust me, if you go check the auto dubbing feature and you also check your keywords, and you come here to study when your viewers are on YouTube, believe me, in no time you will see YouTube pushing your videos to the right audience. So I hope these little strategies are able to help you guys, and I hope you guys are going to try it on your channel. I'm going to see you guys in another amazing video. Bye.